Now on this channel we mainly cover the long-term investing side of things, but of course there is a whole other element of investing which is more along the short-term trades route. And if you're wondering what the best trading platform to use for this, take a look at what Trade Republic just released. So targeting active investors, they decided to revamp their web trading experience, and they now have a browser-based trading experience that is honestly really good. And one of the main new points here is they've introduced something called a best price execution, which is access to over 30 exchanges. Essentially what this means here is you can select your own exchange that you want and you can decide where you want to buy your specific position on. But with best price, it basically checks all these 30 exchanges and finds you the best price at that time across all of these exchanges. So you don't really need to wonder, did I get the best price here or there by picking it yourself? This does it all for you. Now, while these are all my own opinions, it is important to point out that this is a sponsored video by Trade Republic and this is for demonstration purposes only in terms of functional walkthrough of the platform. Okay, so taking a look at my dashboard over here on Trade Republic, we can see that I have two views currently. I have the research tab and I also have a trading tab. And basically these are different customized views to allow me to do just that, research and trading. You can also see that you can add new boards and it's highly customizable. You can select some of these out of the box templates like the research, trading and leverage one, or you can just start from scratch. And then there's also some of these kind of widgets to help you get started with a custom board like heat maps, charts, instruments, etc. Taking a look at the research tab here, let's just see how you can change to a different stock. So let's pick this one for example. And then you can see here that we have heat maps based on the different sectors that this stock could be involved in. So we can see here we have a heat map of the internet and software industry, electronics, computers and networks. So you can get an idea of how the different stocks are performing within that relative to whatever you have selected. And we can see here as we're searching, we can select different stocks within this and then they'll start to change what we're actually looking at as part of it. And you can always just switch back by going back up here. Not only that, you can do, for example, it's currently on NASDAQ 100, but I can search for a country. So as an example, I can go in here and search the United States. I can go in here and see how this will be performing in the likes of France. So it's really, really good for doing these different types of research. And of course, you can customize your views. If this view is more important, drag it out, make it bigger. And that's all up to you how you want to do it. It's all customizable to give you the best experience. Let's take a look at this screener one as well, for example. So you can set up a new stock screener, for example. You can click here. We'll look at what we want to look at. Let's go stocks as an example. And then here we can look at what the market cap we want to set it at. You can set the PE ratio. So let's say we want somewhere in that kind of sweet spot of 10 to 15. And let's just save that. And then it will pull us back stocks that fit within that. So I really like this screener feature if you're looking for new positions to potentially open. And now let's jump over into the trading tab here and take a look. So this is where I would go if I want to execute an order. So we can see here that I currently have a stock open, and over on the left hand side we can decide what we want to do. Now a lot of these exchanges are closed at the time of creating this video, but you'll notice this best price one right here. And this is essentially what I talked about earlier, the fact that this will check those exchanges that are available and find you the best price at that time when you're executing your order. And you can see here in this trend chart, we get live updates right here. So we can go down as low as the minute chart as well, if I find that here. So if we go to minutes, we can go as low as a 1 minute chart here. And these are provided by TradingView live charts that we actually have here. I really like this feature over here as well, where we can see a summary of the position that we've selected. Again, very easy to change it. You can just click on the top here. We can see the summary of the stock over, for example, the day, the week, the month. We can also check insights, so what the analyst ratings are. So you can see 49% buy in this specific scenario. And then we can also check the latest news on this specific stock as well. So really cool place to be able to kind of build out your different customized views and whatever works for you. And of course, we have access to all of the different types of trading. So when we come in here, for example, if we wanted to make a trade, we click up here. This is where we would generally select our exchange. But as I said, if we can go with the best price to make sure we're getting the best price across that. And then of course, we have our market limit stop options that we have here, as you would expect. So if you already have a Trade Republic account, there's no additional sign up required here. So if you're already using the mobile app for whatever it is, whether it be crypto, just investing in stocks normally, but this is designed to complement that in the sense that you can just use your same account there to log into the browser-based trading platform. And it's not accessible on mobile, but of course, if you are a trader, you're likely going to want to have these bigger views. So it's more likely that you're accessing it from a laptop or a desktop computer. And just go back to the order execution point for a moment to speak about the fees. So we have those two different options where we can use the best price. And if you go with this, it's actually a cheaper option. It's only €1 per trade. And then we have the other option where it's direct price, where as I've shown, you can actually select the different exchange that you want to place your order through. And for that, it is €2 per trade. Now, in a typical scenario, you'd be paying for this real-time type of data. But of course, along with your trading account, Trade Republic are providing this real-time data at zero cost. Now, of course, there are some limitations to that in the fact that it's not free data across the entire globe, as some specific venues require a paid subscription, but you do have the option to opt into some of these premium feeds starting from around €5 per month. But of course, that's not required and completely depends on the information that you need yourself to make your trades. So for me, the biggest things are here is the ability to make those different custom views, and I think it all works really well and seamlessly. It's great you don't have to install anything, it's all just web-based, and if you already have a Trade Republic account, it's just very easy to actually go ahead and use it. But if you don't have a Trade Republic account and do want to check this out, feel free to sign up. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can do so. It takes around 5 minutes or so to get yourself up and running, and then you'll be joining over 10 million customers across Europe using Trade Republic. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.